Are you looking for a long-lasting and stable performance LED floodlight? Please don't miss this video. Hi, this is Tina from AGC Lighting. Today, I'd like to show you our FL31 floodlight, which is not location limited and has easy maintenance. First of all, it is equipped with die casting alumina and processed by special powder coating, past over 500 hours salt spray testing, which allows them to be used in harsh environments, such as outdoor stadiums, squares, stations, docks, and some coastal areas. Secondly, it is modular design from 200 watt to 400 watt and 600 watt. Each module is 200 watt. The driver box of 400 watt and 600 watt can be remotely installed at the bottom of the pole or fixed into the electrical cabinet. It helps to save maintenance costs as possible, especially for high-mass projects. Furthermore, versatile optics are optional, including asymmetrical and symmetrical, wide or narrow beam angles. Sometimes, its modular is adjustable in the range of minus to plus 45 degrees. So, when working with professional optics, can bring precise light distributions for kinds of projects. What's more, various smart controls are also available, such as 0 to 10 dimmable, daily, DMX control, etc. Of course, tailoring your solution is also okay. Last but not least, besides new projects, this model has been the favorite solution for retrofit projects. Why? Because, most retrofit projects are challenged by the limited space and the loading weight on the top of the existing pole. While this model has compact design and high lumen output and in net weight can solve these problems very well. In short, combined with the modular design, removable driver box, and various optics, FL31 can support you with a professional lighting solution. So just send us your project details. We have a professional team to do the lighting design for you. Contact us today to get your sports lighting solution. That's all. Thank you.